At an event on Sunday night, Princess Charlene wore an Akris long coat with an Akris gown. The event in question was a charity gala dinner in COURCHEVEL for the Princess Charlene Foundation. Princess Charlene wore the Akris belted embroidered tulle gown which cost a whopping £6,136. Akris sleeveless tulle gown is elevated by intricate tonal embroidery and complementary horsehair belt for comfortable styling, the description says. Princess Charlene dress has a round neck, is sleeveless, and a horsehair belt. Princess Charlene adores the Akris brand and is almost always seen wearing something from it. Founded in 1922 in St. Gallen, Switzerland, the name Akris was derived from founder Alice Crimler Scott's initial. The entrepreneur began by creating dot aprons with intricate embroidery and soft cotton, which quickly expanded into a full line of ready-to-wear. Almost 100 years later, the brand is now helmed by her grandson. Princess Charlene's blank long coat is also from Akris, and she wore it to the Monaco Cathedral in 2019. This morning, Queen Letizia stepped out in a navy pantsuit from the Ines Martin Alcalde collection, which cost approximately £371. She paired it with a lovely symbolic accessory. Queen Letizia wore a smart fit blazer with dramatic shoulders and a straight-line ankle-length pant. The blazer-wide structured shoulders combined with a tightly belted waist emphasizes the real slim figure. The blazer also features a plunging neckline that reveals the top of black or navy vest. Queen Letizia added a splash of color with burgundy accessories. This romantic color gives a nod to Valentine's Day, which is quickly approaching. It also added a feminine touch to an otherwise androgynous-looking suit. Queen Letizia burgundy accessories, including a handbag and shoes, completed the look nicely. The Spanish queen wore the Lea clutch by Margaret and the Dalila pumps by the same designer. Queen Letizia opted for a simple yet sophisticated jewelry. She wore a gold and rose double-daggy earring. She also wore her Amorche Tutto mauve ring, which is made of 18-karat yellow gold and costs around £650. Queen Letizia opted for a loose curl and a glam look complete with a pink eyeshadow for her hair and makeup.